Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move your Edifier X3s earbuds to the pairing mode manually. So to do this you have to grab both earbuds and then you have to click and hold on the left and the right together until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So just be patient and wait. If it is not working, I can recommend you to put them back to the charging case. Close it. After a few seconds, just open, and right now remove our earbuds. Right now, let's click and hold. As you can see right now, they are blinking. We can find them on the list, so select them by tapping and click pair. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.